Welcome back to our channel, and we're the CherySisters! Because we spent a lot of time at home this summer, we wanted to try a Kiwico subscription box. This is our first Kiwi Crate. We don't know what will be inside. Oh wait, it says arcade on the side. Create your own arcade claw game with pom-pom prizes. Give us the scissors, ma'am. There's a welcome to Kiwico map. Here's our next book. It says arcade and some fun other crafts. Some fun crafts. And that's how to make our activity. Here's the Explorer book. It has all kinds of fun activities. It has stickers. We have some, what's this called? String. We have wood. More wood. Whatever this is called. Some more string and some other stuff. This is, whatever these are called. Sticky googly eyes. These are some utensils, tools, and this. And that's it. Step 1. Flip the claw guide face down and place a circle sticker over each hole. Step 2. Flip the guide back over and stick a green bolt upside down on each hole. The bolts will stick to the stickers you just placed. Step 3. Tie the end of the string to one side of the small connector. Slide the other side of the connector onto the top bolt where A, C, and D connect on the claw guide. Copy. Make the claw. Step 1. Match a medium connector with A and slide it onto the bolt. Leave the guide flat on the table while you work. Step 2. Match a claw piece with B and slide it into the bolt. Step 3. Match a large connector with sleeve C and slide it on the bolt. Step 4. Add a blue ring to the right bolt, then match a medium connector with D and slide it on. Step 5. Add another blue ring to the left bolt, then match a claw piece with E and slide it on it. Step 6. Add another blue ring to the left bolt. Then add orange rings to the other 3 bolts. Finally, slide on the last claw piece so it matches the first claw piece. Step 7. Screw a nut onto each bolt as tight as you can with your fingers. Finish tightening the bolt with the wrench. Step 8. Stretch a rubber band over the middle bolts. Then pull the claw off the guide and flip it over. Stretch a second rubber band over the same bolts on the other side. Test. Hold onto the handle and pull the string to open your claw, then let it go. If your claw doesn't close, loosen the nuts and try it again. Part C. Make the handle. Step 1. Flip the handle guide face down and place a circle sticker over each fold. Flip it over. Stick a white bolt upside down on each fold. Step 2. Turn your claw so the handle faces right and slide it onto the bolts. The handle should cover the A on the handle guide. The same of your claw with the string should be on the table. Step 3. Line up the straight handle with your claw and slide it onto the bolt. Screw a nut onto each bolt. Step 4. Pull the claw off the handle guide and set it aside. Stick 2 more white bolts on the handle guide. Next, slide the bent handle piece onto the bolts. It should cover the B on the handle guide. Step 5. Slide your claw onto the bolts as well. Screw a nut onto each bolt. Step 6. Pull the claw off the handle guide, then flip it over so the string is facing up. Place the straw on the bent handle piece. Use a sticker strip to tape it down and then thread the end of the strip through the straw. You're done. Hold onto the handle, pull back on the string to open your claw, then let go to close it. Have fun picking things up. Let's try this. This is what I looking. Oof. Let's make some pom-poms. Pom-pom prizes. Step 1. Stick the end of one ball of yarn to the pom-pom winder with a circle sticker. Step 2. Wrap the yarn loosely around the winder. Step 3. Keep wrapping until you use the whole ball of yarn. Step 4. Twist the pipe cleaner around the middle of the yarn. Put it tight. This will hold your pom-pom together. Step 5. Remove the sticker, then gently push the yarn off of the winder. That looks like a bow with little things sticking out the back so you can tie your hair. Step 6. Cut the loops of the yarn a few at a time. Keep going until the loops are cut. Step 7. Fluff up your pom-pom, stick the woogly eyes, then bend the pipe cleaners to shape them. I want to get both of them. I'm going to try to get both of them too. Aww. I'm gonna get it. You can't have. That's unfair. She had to try. Ta-da! What did you like about this
this project?
I like that we made little fluffy friends, and I like that we made a little hook so we can grab our fluffy friends.
What did you do not like?
I did not like the hard work.
And what was easy about this project?
Well, nothing.
Nothing was that easy.
Okay, what did you like?
I like that we got to make fuzzy little fur balls.
Hey, copycat. Okay, next. What did you not like?
I didn't like that it was so hard to make the end because you had to keep on putting tiny beads, had to screw drive it, and put all the parts together.
Yeah, but my favorite part was that we get to do grab our friends. My favorite part. And I like that you can stand up with it and hold it.
The thing that was really easy was cutting them.
It was very easy shaping the antennas.
It was really easy having the instructions because if we didn't, I don't think we'll make this at all. It will be so hard. And now that you know what you need, buy it at the store. And you can make your own little fur balls.
The Kiwico Crate was awesome! You should try it too. Follow the link down below.
Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more